Hello, this is Catherine Maley, author of Your Aesthetic Practice and president of Cosmetic Image Marketing, where we get you more patients and more profits. And I'm going to talk about how to make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients. I'm going to show you how to creatively make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients. Now, the secret is to be compelling so patients who see it want to share it with their friends and family. For example, Facebook Live cosmetic treatment videos. This is how to make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients. Have your staff shoot a video performing a simple cosmetic treatment on a real patient. Do something simple like a peel, IPL, or microneedling treatment. Walk the audience through what you're doing and ask the patient how they're doing so the viewers can see how easy cosmetic rejuvenation is to perform. Invite them into your practice for a complimentary skin analysis and urge them to share this video with their friends and family. Urge the viewers to comment below so you can answer their concerns and questions. The interaction helps build interest and shares. Word-of-mouth referral program. Another retention strategy that makes sense is a referral program. There are many ways to do this, but my advice is to keep it simple. These programs bomb when they're too complicated and confusing to the patients and the staff. A super easy referral strategy is a customized word-of-mouth referral display with takeaway referral cards, because your patients would refer more often if they were reminded and if it was made easy for them to do so. This strategy is how to make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients, and it generates new patients every week. And it makes it easy for your patients to brag about you to their friends. So you're not hoping new patient referrals come in, they just come in automatically because they're part of your plan. YouTube Q&A with the surgeon. How to make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients also should include YouTube videos. Start your own YouTube channel and answer questions you get from your patients. Now, don't overthink this or over-prepare. Just talk candidly as if you're talking to a prospective patient asking you questions about the procedure they're interested in. After uploading each video, send an email out to your patient list with a link to click on it to watch it on YouTube. Name your video with a compelling question. For example, how long is liposuction downtime? Now, anyone online looking for the answer to that question will find your video. The above strategies on how to make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients included internal as well as external marketing ideas to execute. You can either outsource to an experienced vendor who knows about graphic design and social media advertising, or assign this to your most tech-savvy employee. They can learn on the go by researching forums and tutorials. If you want to focus on the right activities and get 5 times faster than other practices, and get results 5 times faster than other practices, download my marketing checklist at www.cosmeticimagemarketing.